Today I'm going to show you a crazy condo 1 block off of Las Vegas Boulevard for under $300,000. The condo is located on the 10th floor on the east side with a balcony that oversees the east side, north side of Las Vegas Boulevard, including the West Gate, the Turnberry Towers, the Sahara, and it has partial view of the Sphere, the Howard Hughes Center, the East Side Valley with its beautiful mountains in the background. Okay, so we made it to the hotel lobby, and what we're going to do next, I'm going to show you all the amenities of the hotel. I'm going to take you to the local attractions, you know, the link promenade, the Four Corners, meaning the Bellagio, the Caesar's Palace, the Flamingo, and the Horseshoe. And after that, I'm going to take you up to the unit, and I'm going to show you what mostly stands out. And I'll take the opportunity also to tell you about the pros and the cons of living in the proximity of the Strip. So hang tight, and I'll get to everything. Don't forget to subscribe in the meanwhile, and maybe drop a like, and maybe even share. So I hope you got to enjoy the drive down Las Vegas Strip. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? And did you see how close we are to the Strip? I mean, you could walk and you're there in 10 minutes leisurely. Look, I've been trying this for 3 times, and I need to move my hands. If I don't move my hands, I start stuttering. So be patient, and the hands are gonna work all the magic. Anyway, that wraps up the amenities. I hope you got to see the rooftop views, the pool, the full-service restaurant, the fully equipped gym, the bar, the lounge. Okay, so we are on location on the corner of Las Vegas Boulevard and Flamingo. As you can see right behind us, straight ahead over there, that's the Platinum. And over here to the left, we have the Horseshoe and a glimpse of the Eiffel Tower. And on this side, we have the Bellagio, Caesar's Palace over on this side, and the Cromwell Flamingo over on my right. So we finally made it to the promenade, and as you can see right behind me, there's a bunch of little shops and restaurants, there's candy stores, gelato places, ice cream parlors. Right behind me, and pretty soon it's going to show up, you have the High Roller, which is basically a Ferris wheel, supposed to be one of the biggest Ferris wheels in the world. I can't confirm that with you, but that's what I hear. So maybe it's true, maybe it's not, you know. But anyway, you know, nighttime over here is actually pretty cool. Right now it's more family oriented, people just strolling. Nighttime it turns into more, you know, nightclubs and restaurants and bars and taverns. There's a bunch of pizza places, bunch of Mexican restaurants and Thai food and French restaurants. It's actually pretty cool, and it's very, very interesting. Okay, so that's it with the promenade and the four corners. Now we're going to be going to the unit, and we'll show you everything that the unit has to offer. And we'll take it from there. We'll show you all the highlights. We'll show you the view from the back. So hang in tight, and don't forget to subscribe or like me, or do both, and share my videos, so you'll be one of the first to receive the new ones every time one comes out. And we finally made it into the unit. We're at the 𝗂𝗏 Hotel Spa, and let me show you guys around, okay? So as you can see, we have a pretty large kitchen with a beautiful black quartz breakfast table with chairs around. By the way, everything you see in the unit comes with the unit, okay? It is a condo hotel, and everything passes through that. So as you can see, we do have a full kitchen here with a stove, a microwave, a sink, a double door fridge, a dishwasher, plenty of cabinet rooms, and I also want to mention that it comes equipped with china and glassware, okay? And they also have detergents. From here, we're going to move into the living area. Nice and spacious. Alrighty, so it comes equipped with a TV. It does have a fireplace, a little desk over here to the left. And as you can see right in front of us over here, we do have, it does come with a couch, a love seat, a little coffee table. So let's move over into the bedroom. As you can see, it does come with a 2 queen-size beds, okay? Another TV over here to the left, and a mirror, and we have a small closet over here, and it does come with a little safe. It's equipped like a hotel with an ironing board, a dryer for your hair, etc., etc. And here we also have, it's pretty much the same view, just a little bit to the right. Okay, so as we said, 2 queen-size beds, and we have a chair over there, the TV as I mentioned, and then we have to the back. We would walk straight into the bathroom, but I want to show you something else on this side over here first. And it comes also with a washer dryer. And the bathroom is also very well equipped. It comes with a dual sink with granite countertops, humongous mirror, so you can't miss yourself. A walk-in shower with all granite. And of course we have the tub. It's a very, very large tub. 2 people in the tub will fit. And we also have another closet over here. Okay. Show you outside over here. As you can see, we have a nice little balcony where you could actually relax at the end of your day and drink a little wine or just admire the beautiful view, which, by the way, it is spectacular. Okay, we have the whole east side with all the mountain range all the way across the valley from north to south. Okay, and over here to the right, that white building that you see in front of you over there, that is the Formula One padlock, okay, the pit lane, where the cars, they actually come out of that road that you see it over here. They have the straightaway right over here, and then it basically connects to 𝗂𝗏, which is on the main street where the front of the 𝗂𝗏 is. And the rooftop has also a viewing area where, as a guest, as staying here, as an owner especially, you would get to watch basically almost the entire race for free. And you would get the whole straightaway from the end of the pit lane all the way to Spring Mountain, which is after the Sphere. So you do have a nice view from up there. But going back to the view over here, as you can see, we have the airport where the tower is over there. So it's a 5-minute drive. The Virgin Hotel, that used to be the Hard Rock, by the way. And then we have a series of mid-rises and some residential areas, some hotels. This is right here is the Tuscany. So you could basically walk and go have a steak dinner if you like. We have then a restaurant row over here. It includes Fireflies, which is a really good Spanish tapas restaurant. Okay. And then there's Larry's Prime Rib, walking distance once again. And there's also some fast food places like there's a Panera over there. There's a Starbucks right over there as well. Okay, moving a little bit to the left, that over there is the Howard Hughes Center. Okay, so that's basically a business center building. Okay, but it's really nice. It's all surrounded by green areas, and it basically connects with Spring Mountain, which actually it's called Twain on this side. Sands, I'm sorry, it's called Sands on this side of the strip, and that is where the Formula One race continues. So further north, as you can see, you see the Westgate, which is that big white building over there. Then you have the Allure Towers right behind the Westgate sign, the Turnberry Towers, which are right over there. And then if you look a little bit to the left over here, you can also see the Sphere. Okay, so it's very entertaining, it's very relaxing, but it does have, you know, it's a really nice view. And it's really nice at nighttime as well, because at nighttime, as you know, the lights come on and it gets dark and everything kind of twinkles, and the sunsets are just spectacular, amazing. Okay, so let's just move back inside and I'll tell you a little bit more about the hotel. So basically, the hotel itself is 17 stories. This particular unit sits on the 10th floor. The size of the unit is 920 feet, which is on the average double any hotel room on the strip, which are usually about 400 square feet. If you were to rent it on your own, you have to pay for, like I said, the HOAs, all the utilities, water, trash, sewer, internet, etc. And you would have to get it cleaned up every time somebody would move out. And it is probably maybe that, or though that's relative, it might be more profitable. However, there's a lot of more work involved as well. Now, instead, the way the hotel program works is that they basically take care of everything, from the towel service to cleaning the dishes to cleaning up when people check out. Okay, just like a hotel, same thing. And you don't have to worry about booking or rebooking or getting it cleaned and everything that is involved in running a hotel. Okay, so crunch numbers, do whatever works for you. If you're local, it's maybe easier to rent it out on your own or run it as an Airbnb. And by the way, you could do short-term and long-term, so it doesn't matter. You could do anything you want in here, bottom line, okay? Rent it out long-term, short-term, Airbnb, or do it as a hotel, okay? So the choice would be yours. I will provide you with some detailed numbers. Make that decision on your own. Okay, so that is pretty much it for right now. So I hope you enjoyed the movie. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.